American Idol fans were surprised that last season's winner, Lee DeWyze, did not present Scott McCreery his award. It is customary for the previous winner to present the new winner with the award, and rumors have been churning as to why DeWyze broke the tradition. The finale, which aired Wednesday, May 25, 2011, revealed DeWyze sitting 5 rows away from the stage at LA's Nokia Theatre. Was this a snub from executive producer Nigel Lythgoe for DeWyze's refusal to participate in the ceremony? On May 23rd, DeWyze tweeted, "Hey guys, no, I'm not performing at the finale. I wasn't asked to. A lot of questions, so I thought I'd fill you in. Talk to you soon." On May 26th, Lythgoe tweeted, "I was so upset Lee DeWyze wouldn't present the winner's trophy to Scotty, especially as he'd been on the show this season. I guess he was shy." In DeWyze's place, Jennifer Lopez presented McCreery with the trophy. For more stories from Mahalo News, please visit our Facebook page or click any of the links around.